Okay, I needed to get a good video of these racks for someone, so I'm just going to share it with you all. This is a 35 shot rack. They are $225. I've also got some that were used once in a show. I've got quite a few left. They are $175. They're going to be a little dirty like this one. Might be a sticker on it, but ultimately a good shape. Save 50 bucks. Okay, so inside of these there is a spring, and that holds your thing. So you can use anything up to 50 millimeters in there. So what you're gonna do, you take your product, shove it in there, and that spring holds it real nice. And so you can see this one, I've got just a consumer tube in there. But yeah, when you pull it out, the spring pops right back up. But if you happen to bend it, you need something smaller in there, you just pull them back up, and there you have it. But they have a angle finder on here, and it's very nice. So you can turn this, and this line here you can use that. You get that up to 90, and it's perfectly straight up and down. I like this. You don't have to use tools to loosen them. They've got these wing nuts on both sides, so you can get them nice and tight. All of your springs are going to be faced the same way, so you'll get them all in the same corners. And I am not 100% sure if these angle finders are right on, but you can definitely use it for a good reference point. Take your line, get it right above 50 or 40 or whatever. On both sides it's on here, so you can do your two sides and then just line the middle ones up. So yeah, I mean, I love it for the price. Very good. They're not the Craigco ones, so they're a great price. I do have the Craigco 62 millimeter racks, and these are specifically for 62 millimeters. They fit right in there. There's no spring like on the other one. These ones, if you want to adjust for an angle, you do need tools. These are $240 a piece. Also, I have the Craigco slice rack. These are $220, and you can hold a lot of slices in here. I mean, a lot. Like, I don't remember how many we had in one of them, like 20, 24. I don't know, it was a lot. But those are 220 bucks. They work great. This thing, it just, you push against it and it won't move. And then this side, you loosen up and slide it in there. You can use it for cakes, for slices, whatever you want. Pretty nice. And then I've got these little 10 shooters. These ones would need to be staked or built into a bigger, more square one. But they are 65 bucks for a 10 shooter. I should mention, most of those racks, seems like the rack companies are on back order. So these are in stock and ready to go. But then we've got these 50 shot. This one's a 50 shot angled rack. Man, they work nice. 240 bucks. Then in the back, I've got 50 shot straight up. Those are also $240. And I have these here. It's a 28 shot angled rack, 140 bucks. And this is the one I've been using. A little more lightweight. I like it. What I would do with one of these, if I was going to use it a lot, is I'd probably buy some big outdoor wheels, put some wheels on it, and put a handle on it so I can roll it around like a suitcase. The new 12Q units are in stock. Labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. With the remote, they are 60 bucks. The remotes do not work on other ones. So like if that one, if you use two, each remote is going to work for the specific ones. And I do have the 6 meter and 3 meter wires. So 6 meter, off one cue going each way, you can almost get a 40-foot spread. I've done 4 wires in one cue, no problem. I'm sure you can do more. And I'm going to show you something with these 4Q units. So I do a lot of my demos with this. I use it a lot. Still on the first set of batteries. The remote comes with a battery. I've never had to change the battery. I imagine it's just like a car remote. You probably push it a lot of times. But even this, you know, man, my Cobra takes a lot of power. I always have to recharge it if I'm going to use it. And this here just sits in my truck, and when I want to use it, I pull it out, and it's 3 AA batteries. But like I said, the remotes will not work on other ones. So if you're using 6 different ones, then you mix them all up in a box and you don't know what remotes to what. You can see here there's these red lights when it's powered on, and I will push A and you'll see the red light go off. Alright, now you see the middle light blinking and the red light go off. I'll push B. So that is how you can match up your remote to your firing unit.